If you're in a nursing home, do you qualify for Medicaid or not? Seems like a simple question, but I know from 20 years of helping people answer that question that they get confused because they don't know where to find the rules on their own. The rules are very technical. They vary from state to state, so people don't really know if they're getting the right answer or not. So that's why we created this guide and worksheets to help you to answer that question about whether you qualify for Medicaid right now in Pennsylvania. So the guide will walk you through exactly what assets are countable, what assets are exempt, and to show you your countable assets and how they're valued by the Medicaid agency in Pennsylvania. So when we get them valued the right way, then we have you compare that to your limits, all right, and help you to determine your applicable limits so that you know exactly how much you're allowed to keep. And when we compare the assets valued the right way to your limits, you'll know whether you qualify for Medicaid right now or not. So you're going to come up with one of three answers. Either you qualify right now, or you're close, or you're not so close. And in any of those situations, we give you some advice about what to do next. So the guide and the worksheets are all totally free. All you need to do is click the link and register, and you can get instant access and take that first step toward getting a better financial result.